Well, looks like we gotta pull Jesse out of the snowdrift. Hopefully the rest of the driveway is not that bad. That's what's holding them up. You're riding on snow. All right. I couldn't even tell you were back there. What? So I couldn't even tell I was pulling you out.
Yeah. Oh, I almost made her. Heck of snow.
You always wanted cooler looking around.
That's true.
I'd say they're much cooler.
But
Okay, let's go. Rocket, what are you doing? As a driver, it's my responsibility to make sure that all the riders in my vehicle are safely secured. All right, let's go. That's pretty cool. Our local state representative sent us this letter. You saw the rewind video. It's pretty awesome. Thanks, Travis. So what's on the agenda for today?
put those covers on, it's going to dampen the whole.
Oh yeah, those are sitting on my kitchen table. Holy crap, that is like 200 times louder than the other one. Scared the birds away. You would have two. Yeah. Sweet. All right. All right, so we're here. We just got the new horns put on. I'm attaching the air hoses right now. So as you can see there, that's the bottom of them. These horns are just a little bit shorter. They don't make the ones that were on it anymore, but I got these ones for a steal. So we had to shorten them up a little bit. As you can see there, we silicone these holes up. The previous hole for the horn is under this little plate that was already on the truck. And then, yeah, I'm gonna attach the other side over here, and then we're going to test them out. All right, go ahead and give her a tug. Pretty good.
Jeez! Rather loud.
Feels pretty good to say, but pretty much everything in here is done. We put the roof back on. We still got to run the line for the chicken lights, and we still have to fill the differentials up with gear oil. But other than that, truck's going to be pretty well done. Now we got to start work on the trailer after this. But I'm gonna back the truck up a little bit so we can pop the hood and have a look under there. I need to do some finishing work up to the firewall.
No, I'm just stripping out. I don't know why it's so hard. The other one came out like it was nothing. Try going back the other way. In? Yep. Let's go. Somewhere on the backside. There we go. Need my gloves. Wherever they went. In my pocket, of course. Nothing more we can do with that. Yep. Hopefully the threads are okay. Yeah, they're kind of stripped, but we're gonna have to clean these threads out. Yeah. Do you have like a die we could run through it? Got one that big or not, but I'd have to try to find one. All right, I'm out of here.
Yeah, the funnel was definitely the right way to go.
So we just finished filling up the differentials on Big Red. So we just filled it from the fill hole up here. We dropped the oil out of the bottom hole there. Pretty sure that's a hole for a sensor, whether it be like a temperature sensor or something. I'm not totally sure. But yeah, they take, what is that, 75, 90 weight oil. And yeah, I'm planning on checking the transmission at some point, but I gotta figure out how to do it first. So we just finished up. I'm gonna hop out of here. we're settling in. Things are about to take a turn for the worst. We've been getting quite a bit of snow over the last few days. This isn't unmanageable, but they're calling for another 11 inches tomorrow night, and they're calling for minus 63 below wind chills, which we haven't had weather quite this severe in quite a few years. The last 2 years have kind of been reserved as far as the weather goes. We've probably gotten more snow already this year than we've gotten in the last 2 years. So yeah, it's gonna be a real busy week inside next week, but we've finished up the truck mostly. Dad and I are gonna try to wire the chicken lights to the key switch, so that way they just come on. We were considering putting in a toggle switch to turn them on and off, but it would be better if we could just wire them to the key power, so then we don't have to fiddle with it. So anyway, that's probably about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to activate the notification bell on our channel. YouTube is switching some things up. I know I've said it in the past, but they're really starting to do it now. I don't even get notifications for when my videos post until like a week after. I woke up the other morning and I had a notification on my phone from YouTube, and it was a video that I'd posted actually 2 weeks ago now. So I don't know. Go to our channel, activate the notification bell. You guys know what to do. With that, I'll let you all go. Thanks for watching, guys.